Hello everyone, my name is Assam, and in this lesson we're going to cover the density altitude and calculation of density altitude. I'm going to show you two methods to find your density altitude, and basically today we are working on these packets, and today's METAR is here. I just copied down this METAR from aviationweather.gov. So our values are 19 degrees Celsius and our altimeter setting is 29.42. So the first method I'm going to show you is with this table right here. So basically, with knowing your altimeter setting, you can find your pressure altitude, and with pressure altitude you can combine it with your outside temperature, and it gives you the density altitude. So very quickly, so we look here at 2942. We find it here, and we go across. We find 485, and 485 is the conversion factor. So we need to add that number to our field elevation. We are taking off from John Wayne, so our field elevation is 56 feet. So its pressure altitude is around 556 if you add this number to your field elevation. So the next method is by using the formula. So the formula for pressure altitude is standard pressure minus current pressure times 1000 plus field elevation. It gives you this. So 29.902 minus 2942, this is the current, times 1000 plus field elevation, it gives you 556. And now that we found our pressure altitude, we can calculate the density altitude. So density altitude is pressure altitude corrected for non-standard temperature. So how we corrected it? So we have this conversion factor, 120 is always there, times outside temperature minus standard. So 120 outside is 19 minus standard temperature at sea level is 15 degrees. So we take that off, and we find out that our density altitude would be 1036. And there is another method. You can use this chart right here. Find your temperature first. So we know that 19 is roughly about here, and we go 500 feet above sea level because 556 right there, and that's the pressure altitude. Once you hit that, you go straight and you find your density altitude about 1100 right there. So that was it. Thank you for watching.